Hi everybody, I hope you are enjoying your times. The previous time I created this slide, this video get more than 10,000 views. Let's try to create it and give you some hint on how we create it. At first we need to add a new slide. In the new slide, it's important this picture that we have, we copy that and paste it here, and then copy that and paste it here. Paste another picture on it. But the important thing here is that we need to do something about the pictures and the orders. Let me tell you what I mean. We copy this picture and paste it here, and then bring this picture to front. Then we simply align this picture center and middle. Then select this and go to picture corrections and set the sharpness to -40 and brightness to -60 and wait a little to effect to appear. Then after doing that, we copy the text. The text is just a simple text from the roads. Then copy this slide. And here what we do is important. Some of you may think we must bring it down. No, we go to crop and crop it for the effects. And then after cropping that, we just reduce its size so it looks like it's going in a dip. And then set the transition to morph. You see, it's looking really amazing. You can also do some modification, for example, reduce the size. And then let's have a look. I hope you enjoyed. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.